help that boy, Willie. The shoes lightly lifted her over the high hedge, and because she was doing good things, so the shoes were very helpful to her. They move her up, and she can easily cross that high hedges. How could you do it? Cried the surprised boy. And after seeing this magic, all the boys were very much surprised. They said, "How could you do this? How you managed to do this?" Kitty laughed and began to dance. And after that, after listening that and after seeing all these conditions, Kitty laughed. Kitty laughed and she started dancing. Pleased that there was a good side to the shoes after all. And why she was dancing? Because after so many efforts, after so many things which were happening since the morning, now she is finally happy because there was a positive, there was a good sign which are shown by the shoes. She twirled and twisted with pretty airy bounds, her feet bewitched. The girl were charmed and tried to imitate her, but no one could, and she danced till the bell rang. So she started laughing and began to dance, and she twirled means she rotated rapidly with the help of that shoes. She was dancing like a fairy. She was dancing like a fairy who used to dance after wearing a magical shoes. In the same way, she was also dancing. The other girls which were playing there, they were charmed, they were very much impressed with the Kitty, and they also wanted to imitate, they also wanted to copy her dance moves, but they were not able to do that because Kitty was wearing the magical shoes. And she danced till the bell rang, and she keep on dancing till the recess got over, till the lunch break got over. Till then she began to dance. Now, what happened next? Let's see. When Kitty reached home, her sister said, "Run and pick some strawberries for lunch." When Kitty reached home, her sister said that go and bring some strawberries. "I'm too tired." As soon as she tried to say, "I'm too tired," but the shoes landed her in the middle of the strawberry bed with one jump. As soon as she tried to say that I am tired, again she found herself in between of the strawberries bed, means where the strawberries are grown. Once the dish was filled, Kitty wanted to stay and eat a few strawberries, but she was zipped away into the dining room. Once that dish was filled, which she was carrying to collect the strawberries, once it was filled, she wanted to stand there and she wanted to eat the strawberries. But what happened next? Again the shoes make her zipped off. Again they have trotted her back to the dining room where everyone was waiting for her. It's delightful to have a quick errand girl, said her mother. And then her mother said that it is delightful, it is very happy to see a errand girl. Errand means a person who has gone for a short trip, like she has came from the school, so that kind of a short trip. "Will you carry a few bundles to some poor people later?" Then mother asked that Kitty, "Will you help me to carry few bundles to the other people after taking the lunch?" "Must I?" shied Kitty, while the shoes tapped under the table. Then Kitty asked, "Must I?" She was just asking that she has to do that. Shied Kitty. Shied means to take a deep audible breath, means very shyly say something very shyly. And meanwhile she was just saying this, the shoe started tapping under the table where Kitty was sitting. Means the shoes were trying to tell her that if she will not do that, they will make her do that thing. So they were started tapping 1 2 1 2, reminding her that she must, whether she like it or not. The shoes were telling her that she has to do that work whether she like that work or not. "It would be kind, but you may do as you choose, replied Mama. Then Mama said, it would be kind, but you may do as you choose. Then she said, then Mama replied, yes, it is good thing to do, it is a good thing to do, but you can do whatever you wish, whatever you want. Kitty sat very still. She was deciding whether she would go pleasantly or be whisked away against her will. Then Kitty sat silently and she was thinking whether if she'll go there willingly or else if she don't want to go there, the shoes will take her. So she was just very much confused. She finally said cheerfully, and then after thinking for a few minutes, she cheerfully said, I'll go, Mama, and later may I come back through fairyland, the place where tall ferns grow in the forest. And then she said cheerfully, very happily, she said, yes, Mama, I will go with you, and can after going there, when we will come back, can I go to fairyland? Fairyland is a place where the long ferns, the very tall ferns used to grow. And ferns is also a kind of plants which used to grow very tall. Permission was happily granted and Kitty trotted away with a basket in one hand and bundle in the other. Permission was happily granted means her mother has given her permission that after doing this work she can go to fairyland. So she was very happy and she took the basket in one hand and a bundle in the other hand. Once she had given the sick baby some clothes, the lame girl books, and old woman money, she felt happy, as people always do when they do kind things. So once they reached at that place where her mother wanted to go, there he saw the few sick babies, and she gave the clothes to that sick babies. And lame means a very weak. There was a very weak girl, and she has given books to that weak girl, and they have given. There were the old woman also. So they have given money to that woman. And after doing all these things, very unexpectedly, but Kitty was feeling happy, as we all feel when we do good things, when we help anyone, when we try to do good things to other, when we do good things to other, then we feel very happy, very relaxed after doing all this. In the same way, Kitty was also feeling the same thing. Kitty soon reached fairyland, which was filled with the wild flowers. Now, after doing all these things, because Kitty was already very happy, so after doing this work, she reached to fairyland, and which was filled with the wild flowers. Kitty wished to rest her aching feet, and immediately her feet folded her under her, and she sat on a cushion of moss. Then, with a thud, a large black cricket landed beside her, staring at her curiously. To rest her aching feet means her feet were very much tired, and she was they were paining also. So she wanted to relax for some time. She just sat down and folded her legs to make them relax, to make them calm, to feel relaxed at that place. So she just sat down, and meanwhile she was just sitting and relaxing. She saw that there is a cricket, a kind of small animal, that there is a cricket who is just landed, who is just also sitting beside her and staring at her. That cricket was continuously, very curiously looking at Kitty. Hello, are you related to my cousin Grasshopper? You took such long leaps just like him, croaked the cricket. Then what happened next? The cricket asked a question. What was the question? That, are you related to my cousin Grasshopper? That, do you know my cousin Grasshopper, or are you related to my cousin Grasshopper? Why that cricket asked that question? Because he was very much astonished. He was very much surprised to see that Kitty took a very long and high jumps after reaching the fairyland. So he asked that, are you related to my cousin Grasshopper? I am not